if you're experiencing low performance in Overwatch 2, there are several steps you can take to improve your gameplay experience. Follow these steps to enhance your game's performance. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Overwatch 2. Navigate to the options menu and reduce settings such as texture quality, shadow detail, and anti-aliasing. This can help increase your frame rate. Step 3. Optimize system performance. Close unnecessary background applications that may be consuming system resources. Use the task manager to end processes that are not needed while playing, freeing up CPU and RAM for the game. Step 4. Check internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, and consider resetting your router to improve latency and reduce lag. Step 5. Upgrade hardware. If performance issues persist, consider upgrading your hardware. Adding more RAM, upgrading your graphics card, or switching to an SSD can significantly enhance your gaming experience. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Overwatch 2 performance. Enjoy your gaming.